Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. In today's episode, I'm starting a series I like to call Smoked Holiday Beverages. For today specifically, we're going to be doing triple smoked hot chocolate. This will definitely take your holiday beverage game up a notch. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a very simple recipe. Anyone can do this. So first off, in step one, we're going to smoke our hot chocolate and we're going to smoke our marshmallows. So for today, I'm just going to use a pack of my favorite hot chocolate mixed, make it nice and simple. And then we'll throw a few marshmallows right next to it. Okay? And that's it. We're going to take this over to the smoker. I'll see you over there. Welcome back, friends. We're here at the Cuisinart Pellet Grill today. We're going to be running this at about 160 degrees and we're going to be using cherry wood. Now, the total duration of this cook is going to be about an hour. Don't need to go much longer than that. That should be plenty. A couple of things to note when you're doing this is that the hot chocolate and the marshmallows themselves, they're almost pure sugar, right? So if you get this too high and you burn it, you're going to create some, not so pleasing taste profiles in this drink. So definitely keep an eye on it. Make sure your temperature stays pretty close to this range and you will be fine. So let's go ahead and get it in there. So we're going to let this go for, like I said, for about an hour. I'm going to be stirring the hot chocolate mixture about every 15 minutes during this hour. And that's mainly just to make sure that we get as much smoke exposure as possible to the mix itself, just so we can have more smoky goodness as part of the recipe. But let's get this thing going. I'll bring you back in an hour and we'll meet you over at the prep table. Welcome back. So we're back here at the prep table, and to finish this up, it's super simple. So we're going to take our smoked hot chocolate mix and our smoked marshmallows. We're just going to pour it in our mug. And then we're going to have some warmed milk. You can use water if you prefer. And we're just going to go ahead and give that a mix. Just like that. Now, the final smoking piece of this to make it triple smoked is going to be this. And this is a device called a cocktail smoker. You can find these on Amazon. Not a sponsor by any means. They widely range in price ranges, but I prefer this as a cost-effective unit to get smoking the beverages that I'm doing during this series. So I recommend this one highly. So the way you use one of these is it's got a little burn chamber on the top and a chimney on the bottom. You stick it over your cup and you add your wood chips. Now, wood chips for this needs to be a fine blend of wood chips. You can't use big old chunks of wood in this and get a good effective smoke out of it. So this is a fine wood chip blend, and then this is also cherry to pair with the smoker pellets. So once you have your little pot filled there, take a torch and light it. Now, it looks like a lot of smoke's coming out the top, but trust me, we're going to get a close-up on this. There's a lot of smoke going into the bottom side of this mug. So you want to let this sit here for about 60 seconds. And while that's happening, all the top of the hot chocolate is getting exposed to the smoke. It's getting fused a little bit. You can let this go a little bit longer. I find about 60 seconds is right about where you want to be, but again, depending on how smoky you want it, 60 seconds will be just fine. So it's been about 60 seconds, and I want to get a close-up on the smoke inside this mug. Come on in. Look at that. So the smoke has been infused in there. So we're just going to give it another good stir, get it all mixed up. And then we're going to add our marshmallows. And I'm just going to give these marshmallows a little bit of a toast too. That's it. And candy cane garnish. Cheers, folks. That is good. Immediately get the smoke coming from the marshmallows and the hot chocolate. Smells good. And then you get the sweetness of the hot chocolate. That is really good. Folks, if you want to take your holiday beverage game up a notch, highly recommend this. Like I said, very simple, very short video, easy to do. And again, highly recommend this beverage cocktail smoking device too. This will definitely create opportunities to do not just hot chocolate, but many other things. So if you like what you saw here today, folks, consider hitting like and subscribe. Otherwise, folks, I'll see you next time, and take care. Thanks. That's a horrible shot. You're gonna be a leg in it.